Context clues. These are words or group of words that give a clue to the meaning of the word in question. Antonym. The writer may use a word which has an opposite meaning to the unfamiliar word to provide a clue to the meaning of the word. Example: the view at the ship is turned is different from that of the bow. Synonym. This refers to the word closest in meaning to a familiar word. Example: the helmsman who pilots the ship receives instruction from the captain. Definition. To ensure understanding of terms by the reader, the author may opt to define expressly a certain unfamiliar word. Example: salinity is defined as the total amount of solid material in grams contained in 1 kilogram of seawater. Example: another way of leading the reader to the meaning of an uncommon word is by giving an example of the unfamiliar word. Example: the steward is a person who attends to the domestic concerns of persons on board a vessel, as in overseeing maids and waiters, an employee on a ship, train, or airplane who waits on and is responsible for the comfort of passengers. Source: Communication Arts 1 for Maritime Students, pages 34 to 35. Thanks for watching.